The whole world is developing day by day. Now we are in a digital world where daily scientists are developing lots of hidden things throughout the world. Lots of powerful and intelligent machines are developing every day. Humans became more smarter and inventing some unbelievable gadgets. Everything became smarter now. Let's go back 100 years earlier, where communication system was not very much strong like now. In that time, people even never imagined what is smartphone and what a smartphone can do. 100 years earlier, radios were a main source of entertainment, but now everything changed. Now we have TVs, we have smartphones, and now communication is a lot more easier. But what is in future? At least once you might thought how our world look like in future. Can we found another Earth-like planet and will start to live there? Can we able to make time machine and travel in time? Many questions arise in our mind. So this video for you. Watch till the end. Hey, welcome to our channel, The Inner Vision. Make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Let's go ahead to the video. Number 1. Science and technology will reach sky high. Obviously, you can imagine that as in last 100 years, how much humans developed and especially how much the science and technology developed. In next 100 years, science and technology will reach the sky high, where there will be more smart gadgets, like the phone became more smarter. You might don't need to charge your phone daily. Your phone will be your best friend because in that time AI will more advanced and probably you can talk with your mobile with some special artificial intelligence qualities. Not only mobiles, your computers, laptops, even your watch become too much smarter. With technology, the science and its inventions and discoveries will be much easier. We don't need to wait for any result for a long time. Scientists and researchers will discover such things which we cannot imagine. It's pretty sure that in next 100 years, scientists will discover a Earth-like planet because in this whole universe there are somewhere obviously a planet where we can live. And probably there is a possibility of life in that planet. With the hand of more smarter technology, science will rise higher. Number 2. Nanorobots will be in our body cells. You definitely hear about this in science fiction movies, that nanorobots implanted in a human body and then the human gets some robotic qualities. Obviously it can be true. Maybe in next 100 years we will be able to create such nanorobots which will flow in our cells. Probably they will make us more smarter and our body will recover from every wound very fastly. Probably they can kill the viruses in our body and we don't need medications for any disease. This sounds like impossible, right? But with technology and proper science, nothing can be impossible. Number 3. Robots will be everywhere. It's surely gonna happen, as in this time, many companies using robots to do their work. In next 100 years, robots will be everywhere. In streets, in transport, in vehicles, and even in your home also. You will have your own robot friend and will play with you. With the help of robots, the life will be more easier because robots will do all the work. But if robots are only made for work, our work will be lot more easier. But if they got intelligence, they can simply overtake us. Renowned physicist, cosmologist, and author of A Brief History of Time, Stephen Hawking, once said that robots powered by artificial intelligence could overtake humans in future. Number 4. Time machine. Who doesn't want to travel in time? Everyone wants to travel in future to see how we are living in future and in past to stop ourselves to do some mistakes. Can we able to travel in time? If somehow we manage to travel in future, but it's quite impossible to travel in past. There are many reasons. If you want to know more about time travel, stay tuned with our channel. It's obvious that time travel is quite hard, but as I previously mentioned, science with technology, nothing can be impossible. It is sure that in future there will be many experiments for time traveling as there are many possible ways are available. So now we can tell that in next 100 years the experiments might take place, but the result no one knows. Number 5. Flying and automated cars. In next 100 years we can expect to see flying cars. If you ever dream to ride in a flying car, your dream gonna fulfill in next 100 years. If we can live next 100 years. But it's sure this is gonna happen, as many company already working on this project. With flying cars, there will be AI based automated cars. Yes, there will be not any drivers. And those cars will be super fast. For example, if now going somewhere takes 1 hour, in future in just some minutes we will be able to cover the distance. Number 6. Our planet became more hotter. Climate change is already transforming our world. One 2015 study predicted that Greenland's usually cold summer could become completely ice-free by 2050. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and fatal. The world's sea level are on track to rise 2 to 3 feet by 2100, which could displace up to 4 million people worldwide. Recent research from the University College of London revealed that we could have a 66% chance of hitting the rise of 1.5 degrees Celsius target in 2100. We should remember that if the global warming raise higher and other things which can affect our earth badly, then everything could change. So we need to be aware. These are some probabilities which could happen in next 100 years. But as we everyone know, future is unpredictable. What, when and how things will happen, no one knows. If this video is helpful for you, like and share this video and comment down about your thoughts. Thanks for watching.